Hey, I need to tell you something that YouTube creators are absolutely sleeping on. If you are a YouTube content creator, you need to hear this. Everybody wants the views. Everybody wants the growth. Everybody wants the algorithm to suddenly wake up and give them some more love. But nobody wants to talk about the easiest, fastest, most slept on way to get your channel to finally take off. So many creators are not doing this. And I'm talking about YouTube Shorts. And before you roll your eyes and say, but Cheryl, Shorts don't help my long form videos, or Shorts views don't count as much as long form does, or my personal favorite, Shorts attract the wrong audience. Let me stop you right there, because that's old information, like pre-pandemic YouTube knowledge. The platform has changed. Your viewers have changed. And how YouTube pushes out content has changed as well, dramatically. I was the same way. That's what I thought. I was that girl who said Shorts, oh no, that's cute for other creators, but not me. And then I watched creators with half my work ethic, half my personality, and 1/4 of my editing skills hit 20,000 new subscribers and thousands more views in a month. Why? Because they finally took YouTube Shorts seriously. And the wildest part, they weren't doing anything complicated. They were posting consistently, stacking views from multiple topics, and letting YouTube do the rest. YouTube Shorts are one format where YouTube basically gives you a megaphone and says, here, yell this at 100,000 people real quick, and let's see how they respond. It's the fastest audition that you ever get with the algorithm. I'm telling you. And YouTube is watching how your shorts perform every single time that you post one. Let me tell you, when everything shifted for me, one morning I posted a short on my other channel. It's a travel channel, Two Travel Treasures. And it was one of those shorts that I didn't even want to post, honestly. I filmed it quickly, didn't even overthink it, didn't add any cute transitions. I didn't even brush my edges either. And guess what? That short outran everything else on my channel. It ran so fast that it left my long form video in the dust. We're talking thousands of views in hours. Meanwhile, the long form video that I put my heart and soul and eyelashes and melanin into, not much. There were less views. That's how I realized that YouTube Shorts aren't cute little clips for engagement. Shorts are a traffic pipeline. That's what I call it. They are the hook to the long form. They are the invitation to the live party taking place over at my long form videos. Yeah, they are the front door of the whole channel. 90% of your new viewers will meet you through a YouTube short before they ever sit down to watch 10 minutes of your long form video. You remember that. Think of shorts as the front of the store, your YouTube store. Long form is the backbone where the real magic happens. The trust building, the connection, the binge watching. That's where it happens. And you know what's beautiful about all of this? When you create shorts the right way, I'm talking about the right way, they don't compete with your long form videos. They feed them. Now here's where creators go wrong. They treat YouTube Shorts like mini long form. They try to teach too much in that short video. They try to explain too much. They try to pack the entire history of civilization into 59 seconds. Don't do that. It doesn't work. Shorts are not where you teach. Shorts are where you spark curiosity and lead the horse to the water, which is your long form video. You say one thing, one idea, one hook, one did you know, one problem, one solution, one twist, one surprise, one tiny little piece of value that leaves the viewer saying, wait, what else do you know? I want to know more. That's what you do with shorts. That's what pulls them to your long form videos. Now, let me give you an example. On this channel, Monetize Mine, If I post a full video breaking down how to grow a faceless channel, that's good and all of that. But if I create a YouTube short saying this one AI tool will effortlessly create your entire faceless YouTube video for you, script, voice, B-roll, and captions, and most creators don't even know it exists, suddenly tens of thousands of people go, hold on, I need to know more. And guess where I send them? Straight to that long form video tutorial that I made. That's how shorts pull people into your ecosystem, just so you know. And here's the part nobody wants to say out loud. Shorts grow your authority. The more YouTube sees you posting, the more it tests your content in new pockets of viewers. And the more information YouTube gets about who your ideal audience actually is from shorts. Shorts help YouTube learn what your channel is all about much faster than the long form video. And listen, once YouTube learns all this information, your channel starts glowing like someone just turned on the make this creator famous switch. And that's what I love about it. Now, let me also be real with you though. Most new channels are struggling because long form videos take too long to gather data. It might take 10 days, 2 weeks, sometimes even a whole month before YouTube even decides whether it wants to push that video or not. But if you consider using YouTube Shorts, they tell you the truth about your videos instantly. You know in 5 minutes whether the hook was strong enough. Shorts are YouTube's heartbeat test for your entire channel. Creators who post 1 to 3 shorts per day grow faster, period. I've watched with my own eyes on my channels, all my 3 channels, and on other creators' channels as well. Shorts build momentum that long form alone cannot build anymore. Now let's talk about strategy, because I know you're not here for vague motivation. No, you want the tea. Here's how you skyrocket your long-term channel growth with shorts. You create clusters. Clusters are groups of shorts that all point back to one long-form video. So 10 shorts would go directly point back to one long-form video. 20 shorts to 2 long-form videos. You choose a topic, break it into tiny digestible bites in your shorts, and you let YouTube test 20 different hooks instead of just one. If one short hits, the whole cluster hits. That's the cheat code to getting more views on your long-form videos. I proved this myself. And while you're building this beautiful little short ecosystem, you must make sure that every single clip points the viewer back to the full video, because that's how you train your audience to go deeper with you. And you also train the YouTube algorithm to respect your strategy. Yeah, put some respect on your channel. That's how you turn quick eyeballs into steady subscribers. That's how you build a community instead of a random flyby viewers who never come back to watch your videos. But before we get into the rest of the strategy, I want to drop something valuable right here in the middle of this video. If you're serious, and by serious I mean no more messing around, no more guessing, no more hoping, then you need the Ultimate Creator Income Workshop bundle that I created. This bundle is your roadmap. It comes with step-by-step guides, video lessons, planning sheets, my viral video cheat sheet, and everything that you need to start monetizing your channel, even if you're not in the YouTube Partner Program as yet. It's the exact system that I wish somebody had handed to me when I first started. And honestly, it would have saved me years of frustration. So grab it now from the link in the description below. It's only $19.99, and it will pay for itself faster than you think. All right, let's go back to the magic. That's what you're here for, right? Okay, the biggest mistake people make with YouTube Shorts is assuming low effort means lazy. No, that's not the case. Shorts need energy. They need a hook that smacks the viewer right in the forehead. They need pacing. They need rhythm. They need that edge. They need a message that pulls people in immediately out of curiosity for more of what you are offering. Think about how people scroll. They're bored, tired, maybe half distracted. They're barely paying attention. But your hook has to grab them by the face and say, look at me. I have something just for you. Every viral short starts with urgency, curiosity, or emotion. And if you want to grow quickly on YouTube, you need all three of these in rotation. You also need to be consistent. And when I say consistent, I don't mean post once a week when you feel like it. I mean, you show up like this is your job or a business. 3 shorts a day if you can. At least even one every single day. Because shorts feed the algorithm like snacks. YouTube eats them up. And the more consistent you are, the more YouTube keeps your content in circulation. Let me tell you the real reason shorts are powerful. They lower the pressure. They get you comfortable. They let you test new ideas. And they make you fearless. You finally stop overthinking everything because shorts move fast enough to give you more leverage and more information. You don't have to be perfect. And when you take the shackles off perfectionism, your creativity blows up. Long-form videos become easier. Your voice becomes so much clearer. Your content becomes sharper. Shorts unlock a different side of you. The side that's bold enough to try something new. And that is what I'm challenging you today to start creating shorts. So if you're tired of watching other creators pass you by, if you're tired of slow growth, not getting enough views, if you're tired of uploading long form videos and getting 8 views in 2 weeks, then maybe it's time to do the thing that you're trying to avoid. Yeah, don't avoid this anymore. Using YouTube Shorts to ignite your channel is going to be your next move. This year, your channel is not going to stay stuck. Not if I have anything to do with it, I must say. If you want me to create a full shorts posting plan, a cluster strategy, and hooks for your next 30 videos, that's your shorts I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section. I will do just that. And before you head out, don't forget to grab that Ultimate Creator Income Workshop bundle. This is the roadmap that you have been waiting for. Trust me. If you're watching this video, then your channel is ready for the next level. And that's what my bundle will do. Now, go make the first YouTube short. Don't wait. Go post it today. And then you're going to meet me in the next video where I'm going to break down exactly how to create 3 days of content in one afternoon without burning out or without overthinking. Because your future audience is literally scrolling right now as we speak, waiting for you to show up with that YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.